Hello guys, this is Sunana. Welcome to the next class. So before starting with the new topic today, let's take a quick recap. Yesterday we have discussed about the three heat zones, torrid, temperate and frigid. Then we have discussed about longitudes, which are the imaginary lines running from North Pole to the South Pole and are 360 in total. In last we have discussed about prime meridian, which is a 0 degree longitude passes from Greenwich near London. And these are the topics that we will cover today. First we have international date line. It is an imaginary line that separates one calendar date from the next. This line is at the opposite of prime meridian at 180 degree. Guys, it is not a straight line, it is a zigzag line passes through the Pacific Ocean. And why it passes through the Pacific Ocean? Because it is the only place on the globe where we can draw this line as straight as we can, बिना किसी country के border को cut करे. So guys, this is your international date line. Imagine if we draw this line through any landmass, then what will happen? तो उसी सेम प्लेस में एक ही टाइम पर दो डेट्स हो जाएंगी. सो टू अवॉइड दिस प्रॉब्लम इट इज ड्रॉन इन अ zigzag मैनर. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू दैट हाउ डेट चेंजेस विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस फ्लो चार्ट. सो बच्चे, इन द मिडल we have prime meridian at 0 degree, and we know that our earth rotates from west to east, which means east part of the earth comes in front of the sun first and उसके बाद west part आएगा. So the time in the east of prime meridian is ahead and in the west it is behind prime meridian. So students, if it is 9 p.m. of 6th November at 0 degree, then if we move towards 180 degree east, it will be 9 a.m. of 7th November. As 0 to 180 degree, it will cover in 24 hours. Always remember, our earth covers 15 degree in 1 hour. So if we divide 180 degree by 15, we get 12. So that's why we can say that the earth will cover 180 degree in 12 hours. In the same way, if we move 180 degree west or 12 hours behind prime meridian, the time will be 9 a.m. of 6th November. So guys, if we move towards 180 degree west to 180 degree east, we add 1 day. And if we move 180 degree east to 180 degree west, we subtract 1 day. Next we have local time. So all the places that are falling under the same longitude have the same time, which is called as local time of that area. And this is the time when midday sun is directly overhead at a particular place. As the sun rises in the east and sets in the west, so when it is directly over the head, it is 12 noon. And the places on the same longitude come in front of the sun at the same time. So guys, जैसे ही अर्थ रोटेट करती है, पहले वाली longitude आगे चली जाती है and the next one comes in front of the sun. So it is known at that place. Now we have standard time. So students, we have learned that each meridian has its own local time, and some countries have more than one meridian passing through them. For example, India has 29 meridian passing through it. This picture shows you the extent of India. It is around 68 degree east to around 97 degree east. So this can create confusion कि India किस local time को follow करे. So to avoid this confusion, India chooses 82.5 degree east longitude as its central meridian. And this is called Indian Standard Time. So like this, every country chooses its standard time. But this standard time is set with respect to the Greenwich Meridian time. And the Indian Standard Meridian passes through Mirzapur near Allahabad. So guys, before explaining you about the Greenwich Meridian time, let me tell you that our earth rotates 360 degree in 24 hours, which means that it covers 15 degree in 1 hour, or we can say that it covers 1 degree in 4 minutes. So in this picture, the red line passing through the earth is your prime meridian. And the time at this meridian is called as Greenwich Meridian Time, which is taken as the standard time for the whole world. So the country located at the east of prime meridian gain 1 hour by each 15 degree. And the countries located at the west of prime meridian lose 1 hour by each 15 degree. Here the countries marked with green circle follow Greenwich Meridian Time as prime meridian passes through these countries. So let's take an example. If it is 5 p.m. in UK, then it is 10:30 p.m. in India. Because Indian Standard Time is 5.5 hours ahead of Greenwich Meridian Time. With this, we have finished our chapter as I have covered all the topics. And your solved back exercise and question answers will be on the website. Thank you.